Tell me, guys. Tell me, how am I going to get there? 8,000 watch hours. Can you believe it? From 4,000 to 8,000. Can I make it? Can I make it? Let's see. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Arthur Fly, and in today's video I'm just dropping in to tell you guys hi. I'm fine, I'm doing well. As you can see, I've been posting some old videos, some videos that I should have uploaded from Wapikil Philo, but me just post them now. I just posted them, so I'm just dropping in to tell you guys I'm back. Hopefully I will be consistent this time around. I want to be consistent, but you know, life happens and I don't get to do the editing and stuff. The videos are there, but the editing is not there, and sometimes I'm not in the mood to video, and sometimes I forgot to video the things that I'm doing in terms of art or whatever, so I lack content sometimes. But I'm just dropping in to tell you guys hi. Now, another thing that I just found out today is that now the watch hours has gone to 8,000, guys. Watch hours is now 8,000. So I now have to move a bit quicker this time around to get those watch hours in. Usually it was 4,000 for those who don't know. I almost met the 4,000 watch hours, and then all of a sudden I just stopped posting. So now it moves to like 8,000 watch hours. How am I going to get there now? Tell me, guys. Tell me, how am I going to get there? Okay guys, so I would like for you guys to watch out the videos, like the videos, comment on the videos, so I can get my subscribers up, get those watch hours up, so I can continue posting for you guys. So guys, if you don't do the things, how am I going to do what I need to do? Okay guys, so I'm gonna continue posting, and I want to do some live, guys, for this August, because you know, when it's September time, it's teaching time, and I'm just up and down all over the place. So guys, just do that for me, guys, and I will see you in the next one. 8,000 watch hours. Can you believe it? From 4,000 to 8,000. Can I make it? Can I make it? Let's see.
To the sky, with each creation we can try success in every hue and cry. Together we are artwork fly.